year, on 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Because of his struggle for the independence of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. He devoted his life for India's freedom by using his strong weapon, non-violence, not only in India. In fact, in the whole world, this day is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. He started the movement with Dandi March from 12th March to 6 April 1930. Mahatma Gandhi, along with his followers, marched from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi in Navsari district of Ahmedabad on sea coast and broke salt law by making salt on 6 April 1930. He contributed his life for the freedom of India. He died on 30 January 1948 at the age of 78 years in New Delhi. Thank you and Jai Hind.
कौन से काम न्यारे, कहाँ उन्होंने जन्म लिया, किए कौन से काम न्यारे। सन 1869 की तिथि 2 अक्टूबर आई। महात्मा गांधी जी के माता पिता को मिली जन्म बधाई। महात्मा गांधी जी के माता पिता को मिली जन्म बधाई। पिता करमचंद गांधी थे, पुतली बाई जी थे माता। छोटी आयु में महात्मा गांधी जी को देश प्रेम का पाठ पढ़ा था। छोटी उम्र में महात्मा गांधी जी को देश प्रेम का पाठ पढ़ा था। अंग्रेजों से हक लिए आंदोलन कई चलाए, अंग्रेजों से हक लिए आंदोलन कई चलाए। भारत छोड़ो असहयोग आंदोलन सफल बनाए, भारत छोड़ो असहयोग आंदोलन सफल बनाए। अहिंसा और सत्य की राह पर हमें चलाएं, अंधेरे जीवन में दीपक आप जलाएं, अंधेरे जीवन में दीपक आप जलाएं। सन 1948 तिथि 30 जनवरी जग आई। मनीषा कहे अंतिम ज्योत ने आज तक रोशनी फैलाई, अंतिम ज्योत ने आज तक रोशनी फैलाई। थैंक यू।
So here
I am Ruhani of class 11th medical. I am here to deliver a speech on this occasion. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Said by Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is widely known as the father of nation, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Shri Karamchand Gandhi was his father and mother, Srimati Putlibai Gandhi. His father was a local government officer and his mother was a religious volunteer. He was an Indian lawyer, politician and selfless social worker. He started many revolutionary campaigns for the freedom of India and revolt against injustice with the power of truth, unity and non-violence. When Britishers were forced the Indians to obey them in any way, those Indians who tried to raise their voice against Britishers either killed or declared themselves as a punishable offence. Gandhiji started civil disobedience movement and his followers also joined them in any form in which the justice was given to the Indians. The Britishers were forced them to obey their rules and the Indians were not able to follow their rules as this was a disrespect of Indians. He also started the Salt March, which is also known as the Dandi March, from the Sabarmati River. This was the biggest Indian movement in the history. Gandhiji has been called Bapu with the love. It was the fatherly guidance that united all the freedom fighters. He was a noble man, always recognized for his principle of truth and non-violence. He played the major role in many freedom movements. His life is full of teachings for all of us till today. We celebrate 2nd October till today because of Gandhiji's never-ending impact. May we youngsters follow his steps and make our nation proud on us. At last, I would like to know you that Lal Bahadur Shastri was also born on 2nd October. He is also known as the man of peace. His main slogan was said that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He was fully inspired by the soldiers and the farmers of India. Thank you.
Also describing Gandhiji's principles of life. The dance was also denoted to Gandhiji. We are putting before the students all these things with the aim not the entertainment. The aim is to choose something very, very important and good out of the life of these national leaders. Non-violence, ahimsa. This is the need of the hour of today. Whether we talk of the domestic violence, whether we talk the violence on the name of caste, creed, religion, people are not having that patience. So to create that atmosphere, it is our duty as a responsible citizen and as a good education institution to make the children aware that how important these words are, how important these values are. And similarly, another very important lesson which should be adopted by each one of us, each growing student, that is truth. This was another feature, very, very important feature of Gandhiji's teaching, which he adopted himself in his life. Truth remains truth forever. Remember this. A very small example of that I'll give you. Sometimes you children speak lie, झूठ बोलते हैं आप एक छोटी सी बात के लिए, और आप सोचते हैं कि हम बच गए. Am I right? Say yes or no. You can say no, ma'am. If you think it is wrong, yes or no. Without thinking that this lie will save you for that moment only. For that particular moment that can save you. But in the long run, after some time, when the same reference comes, you may forget what statement I gave that day. Or any other person can come and reveal the truth, and then you know that your teachers put on inquiry certain cases, and then you are being caught. So you face a lot of harassment, embarrassment, not by any punishment, but only by that harassment is that, oh, now the truth has opened and everything is known to everyone. So what is the use of telling that lie? Second important thing is, when you speak lie, your own conscience always tells you that, makes you fearful. Your confidence becomes less. Your personality downs. Morally you are feeling down because you know that I have spoken lies. The biggest check, the biggest judge is sitting inside each of us, which tells us when you do something wrong and when you are telling lie. But truth is such a magnificent thing which remains truth forever. सच्चाई आज भी सच्चाई है, 10 साल बाद भी सच्चाई है, बदलेगी नहीं. बदलेगी? बोलिए. Can you change the truth? So this is the biggest lesson. If only one teaching and one lesson from his life, today's generation follow, your entire life will be changed. And be truthful to your own self. अपने आप के लिए वो सच्चाई आपको रखनी है. Don't think that I am doing this for somebody else. No. Your personality will be different. You will be more confident.